Alright folks, let's be honest. If you've ever been out filming and your camera battery dies right in the middle of something epic, you know the pain. It's like getting to the last slice of pizza and someone else grabs it. Brutal. Well, DJI thinks they've solved that problem with this little gadget, the Osmo 360 battery extension rod. Basically, it's a selfie stick that also works as a power bank. Yeah, the stick now has a bigger battery than your first Nokia phone. Here's the deal. Instead of plugging in messy cables that make your setup look like a 90s dial-up connection, this rod snaps on magnetically to the bottom of the Osmo 360. No wires, no drama, just click and go, and the result, you get up to 4.5 hours of 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Which is fantastic because, let's be real, you'll give up holding it way before the battery does. By the end, you'll be sore, but hey, at least your footage will look great. The rod itself extends to 90 centimeters, which is plenty of reach for those cinematic shots, or pretending you're tall on Instagram. Collapsed, it's small enough to toss in a bag without looking like you're carrying a medieval weapon. It weighs 289 grams, about as heavy as your kid's juice box, so it's surprisingly easy to handle. DJI even throws in a wrist strap because they know half of us will drop it when we're juggling coffee, camera, and kids at the same time. The handle isn't just dead weight either. It's got buttons that let you control the camera, power, sleep, record, and quick capture without needing to poke the camera like you're trying to find the snooze button on your alarm clock. Quick capture is the real MVP. One press and it starts recording even if the camera's off. Perfect for those blink and miss moments, like when your dog suddenly does parkour across the living room. And here's a fun touch, you can lock it straight at 0 degrees for that invisible selfie stick effect, or tilt it at 68 degrees for classic vlogging. Translation, one mode for cinematic filmmaker, the other for midlife crisis. But make it YouTube. Down at the bottom, you've got a tripod thread for hands-free shots, and it charges via USB-C, because thank goodness we're too old to be dealing with micro USB ever again. But, a quick PSA, it's not waterproof and it's not built for high vibration setups. So, no, don't strap it to your Harley and go full Easy Rider. It's a selfie stick, not a stunt double. Now, it retails for about $99.99, which, yeah, might sound steep for a fancy stick, but let's be real, this isn't your $10 gas station selfie pole. This one keeps your camera alive for hours, gives you pro-level reach, and makes your setup look legit instead of something you duct tape together. So if you want longer shooting sessions, cleaner setups without dangling cables, and a gadget that basically doubles as a gym workout for your arms, the Osmo 360 battery extension rod is worth checking out. Think of it as the coffee thermos of camera gear, keeps you powered all day. That's it for now. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, DJI accessories may drain your wallet, but at least they won't drain your camera. See you in the next one.